Welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to create unlimited email addresses for free using a powerful tool, elevenlabs. This video is for educational purposes only and is perfect for safeguarding your primary email from unwanted websites, spam, or temporary needs. Let's explore how to stay protected while being ethical. Open your browser and search for elevenlabs. Click on the first link you see. Trust me, it's a legit and reliable website. On the homepage, you'll notice the option for disposable email addresses. elevenlabs offers business email addresses with domain extensions. Simply toggle the domain option if needed. You can also generate normal Gmail or Google Mail extensions. This ensures your temp email looks completely legitimate and can be used on various platforms. Click on Generate to create a new disposable email address. Once the email is generated, click Go and copy the email address provided. Use this email to sign up on any website. Paste the copied email, enter your password, and click Next. After signing up, return to elevenlabs and hit the reload button. Wait a few seconds and you'll see the verification code appear. Copy the code, paste it into the required field on the website, and click Sign In. That's it. You've successfully created an account using a temporary email address. If you accidentally refresh the page, don't worry, your email is still safe. Go to the home page and click on Custom Email. Paste the email address you copied earlier and click Go. You'll regain access to your temporary email inbox. The website also offers a 10-minute mail feature. These temporary emails self-destruct after 10 minutes, ensuring complete privacy for one-time use. Use the bulk email feature to generate up to 1,000 email addresses at once. This is especially useful for testing or bulk signups. This tool is a game changer for protecting your personal email from spam and unwanted websites. But remember, this video is for educational purposes only, so always use elevenlabs ethically. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Have a great day.